So I started off this project by asset mapping, so going into different groups within the community to identify and capture the strengths of Upper Denbigh. So the main part we've been focused on where people can be physically active is on Cae Howell. We have partnered up with Denbighshire Leisure to offer activities for children on Cae Howell during half terms, alongside distributing healthy snacks as part of our Fit and Fed project.
Un o'r prosiectau dyn ni wedi cael dipyn o gyffro hefo ydy gweithio hefo criw o fechgyn ifanc sydd yn wneud efo gwasanaeth ieuenctid yma yn yr hwb. Mi oedden nhw wedi cychwyn y sgyrsiau hefo'r youth workers i ddeud bod nhw'n gweld diffyg adnoddau reid y beics a bod hi'n eitha peryg yma. Wedyn, dyn ni wedi lwcus iawn gweithio hefo nhw drwy'r prosiect Actif i wneud siŵr bod nhw'n gallu datblygu'r prosiect yma i fod yn rhywbeth llwyddiannus. Maen nhw wedi cychwyn bumps and jumps a dyn ni wedi bod yn cyfarfod efo'r gymuned i weld beth yw eu barn nhw am y diffyg cyfleusterau beicio yma yn Dinbych, a wedyn heddiw dyn ni wedi bod hefo nhw yn mynd o ddrws i ddrws yn gofyn cwestiynau i bobl yr ardal i weld os ydyn nhw'n hapus i ni ddatblygu pump track yn uwchdrad Dinbych yn Cae Howell.
Having these conversations with the community, we've seen a huge barrier in cost of sportswear, sports shoes, where it's stopping people from being physically active. So we've partnered up with Denbigh Harriers to organise a trainer shop where individuals from the community donate their pre-loved trainers. This project has provided an accessible opportunity for people to engage in physical activity. Following the success of the trainer swap, Denbigh Harriers provided a 12-week Couch to 5K where beginners could gradually build their fitness levels and gain their confidence.
Mae Prosiect Actif wedi bod yn andros i lwyddiannus dwi'n teimlo i ni yn yr hwb. Mae wedi agor y drws i lot mwy o brosiectau ac asiantaethau fysa ni rioed wedi cysylltu hefo'r blaen.